Good morning, Gems. Good morning. Listen, y'all. Y'all know I got a business under my LLC, so I have been really busy with that. Hey, Carmel Apple. Hey, Brenda. Hey, Dion says, whatever. Renee, Deshonda, how are you? That's my crew in here. Hi, Miss um, um, Ira. Good morning, Mimi. Listen, I just wanted to give y'all an update on this lawsuit, and I have given y'all. Let me get in here and get the docket number because I want y'all to not get it twisted. I need y'all to, instead of taking my word or anybody else's word talking about this lawsuit, I need you to read it for yourself. Now, I should have never been involved in this lawsuit at all, but since I'm going to take the opportunity to tear it down from 2023 to now. Now, these lawsuits, I want y'all to know it's a pattern. This started in 1998 with the first lawsuit of Miss Black Titanic. And so now they have been moving around to different states suing people. First, for starters, I'm going to reiterate that the first lawsuit came in Virginia with content creators PBE and Anthony Loptes. That case, if you don't believe me, go to PBE Community Wall or join her membership. That case was lost by Aunt Ann, and she has to pay them their attorney fees, both of them. Then we move this case with the same players. Now, all these players, they deal with each other. Aunt Ann dealt with Black Titanic. Black Titanic wanted to go on in and sue Maurice, Own, and everybody. And that is not working out too good either. Now, we have sent some information to the courts in Alabama because we are trying to show that there's some financial crimes involved, there's accusations, and there's a pattern of this. Black Titanic's first lawsuit was 1998. This second lawsuit was with Maurice. Now we go into the Missouri lawsuit, which I was added for no reason at all. They had an Instagram group that was called The Family. And this Instagram group did not pose as no, I have the text messages, y'all. They did not pose to no threat towards anyone. It just happens that this attorney who is suing everybody was in these groups. She appeared on different content creators' pages. And it seems to me when they didn't agree with her, she decided to throw them into a lawsuit to say that her reputation was damaged and that she was doxxed. Now, I'm going to tell you something. This attorney, Shertha McNeel, has also did some things that was very crooked. And what I have learned from these players, all of them, is that everything they accuse these content creators that they're suing has done it. They accused me of filing for bankruptcy. And so I have already programmed my mind to whatever they inflict on other people, they've done it. So what I've done is looked up the attorney's background, public background, public. In the Western District of Missouri, she filed for bankruptcy. But what she failed to tell them in the bankruptcy is that she, in the same year, now you can't file bankruptcy and have a $120 million lawsuit, not even a $25,000 lawsuit. It came up that she filed for her bankruptcy January of 2023, and then she turned around and filed this lawsuit in April 2023. But what she failed to tell you, she was in the lawsuit for Virginia. Her footprints, digital footprints, is in the lawsuit in Virginia. Her digital footprints is in the lawsuit in Alabama. And her digital footprints is in this lawsuit. So that tells you, you done got all these lawsuits, girl, and you can't keep up with them. Now, me and True T really shouldn't be beefing. But they were so confident and cocky that they could win these lawsuits. And even the content creators who have the judgments against them, hold up, wait a minute, you're not going to have to pay that. Because see, that is what should have been entered in that bankruptcy January 23, that she had three content creators that she had judgments on. Now, this judge in Missouri told her that she needs to get a lawyer for her case. So when she said that I had bankruptcy, I looked up, she had bankruptcies. And she failed to um, let them know some of the money things she's hiding. Well, it's going to come out in the Western District Bankruptcy Court. That is a federal court, and it is also on the docket of this lawsuit that I'm on, because when you try to fuck with my money, I take it personal, especially when you're not entitled to. And how True Tea, Black Titanic, Here for Hot Tea got on this case was not entered from the defendants. They were entered through the plaintiff, which is the attorney who's suing Maurice, Carlos King, AT&T, Orlando Police Department, and a bunch of content creators. These content creators should not be sued for their opinion or disagreeing with her, even though she's not a content creator. And I'm going to make sure that every court they done put their foot in, I'm right behind them, because I am reading it thoroughly. I got other eyes on it. PBE laid the groundwork, and we are all picking up the baton and we're running with it. Tay Talk, Prosperity Thick Girl. Prosperity Thick Girl came on and announced who was in this group. It was not a gang, it was an Instagram group that were not dangerous to no one. It was about a cake. But baby, this is showing you got to watch the company you're with, and you got to make sure that everybody should be fighting this lawsuit just as hard as I am. And I am innocent in everything that she's mentioning. But we've been getting some distractions. We getting misdiagnosis is over there trying to rev up about the passing of Kiki Jabbar. This is just, if you really love this woman, you should not be, bringing up her and her demise. Her life should be celebrated, misdiagnosis, and you not even thinking about her children or her mother, who you instantly cut off with because you didn't get an obituary. Oh yes, I'm looking at everything, and you're just a distraction. And I implore everyone, don't answer misdiagnosis, period, because she is a distraction. And if they decide to use misdiagnosis to testify, which she can't fight her way out of a damn brown paper bag, that would be the greatest thing, because I promise you, the lawyer that I will hire will make her jump out of the defendant's box of testifying against anybody. This is a weak case, and I am waiting for the judge in Missouri to really dismiss this case, because one, nobody can sue YouTube, Google. It's under Section 230. It tells you that all day long. They cannot be responsible for content creators getting on their pages with their opinions. Now YouTube has come out. No face, no case. True Chi. And all these people who come on live and don't show their face won't be getting paid from YouTube anymore. So that's going to bring it out. And I'm waiting for that. So I filed against the bankruptcy of Sheretha McNeel. And I want to tell y'all that doing that, Sheretha McNeel attempted to strike my thing. Well, baby, it don't work, because you are so fucking predictable. You're predictable. I knew you would strike it. So that allowed me to give the courts more evidence of possible fraud that you did not invoke or go and fix, that you had judgments. You also did not tell the court on that GoFundMe What did you receive? But that's okay. Because in fucking trying to fuck with my money, I'm going to send a subpoena to GoFundMe, to all of your Cash Apps, and see what you received. You fucked with the wrong person. When you start fucking with my money, I don't care if you call me piano thief or whatever the fuck you call me, then you're trying to mess with people that fucks with me. You got on Terrence, you on this, now, but I'm on Anthony, all of this. You, my best advice for you, Sheretha McNeel, is that you need to go in and drop this whole fucking case, because the can that you opened, I opened up a can of whoop ass. And right now, I know my filings is whooping your ass in that courthouse. So y'all, let me tell you, she decided to want to have my um judicial letter struck, but it allowed me to go back at her, and I did gracefully, dropping a little bit more tea and taking care of it. Y'all remember when True T came out and said, yeah, they wouldn't allow her to get my information. Baby, you read with non-understanding. You even work with court documents and didn't understand that Google was just saying, no, we can't give it to her right now. We need a court order. Believe me, when this is over with the content creators and everybody, I'm still going to pursue what I need to get. Because you know what? I don't care about the opinions you've talked about me. Do you understand? That don't matter. It's the fact that you've tried to hurt families, hurt people, and then you sending these crazy tweeties all popping up under Aries in Prosperity Chat. I've never spoke to no Tweety, okay? Never in my life spoke to no Tweety. There's no phone records. There's no text message. There's no nothing. And Aries, you stay the fuck out of my chat, because I know that your other name was Tweety TV. See, this is what you do when you have somebody who will research your ass. I will run up in you like an enema, and I'm letting you know I am paying the best people to back me, and I plan on being suited and booted when it's time to go to Missouri. I'm going to be in the finest motherfucking hotel. I'm going to jump up in that courtroom looking good as fuck, and y'all going to walk out without a dime. And Truty, you was added in this case by Anonymous, but you're not even mad that she brought your name up. You're not even mad that she involved Black Titanic. You're not even mad when I said, I'm not the one putting the spells on. It allowed me to show the proof. Listen, you messed with the wrong group of women, because what y'all tried to do was divide these content creators up here, and we came together for this cause to handle this court case where it would never happen again. So I want to tell y'all exactly what she responded and said. And I'm not going to read the whole court case because I done gave you. Tanya, please drop the docket number so everybody can go and read it for yourself. She said, and if I did something wrong, it's like none of Miss Booth's business. And if, baby, you're not only dealing with me on this Missouri case, we've all wrote to the disciplinary board about you, and they are now, everyone, listen to me, they are now actively investigating her. We didn't ruin her damn legal career. She ain't won one case before this lawsuit. Never. She never won a case. And she is a bankruptcy attorney. Certainly, by being a bankruptcy attorney, you would know not to play with the IRS. And I'm telling you, I'm going to have them so far up your ass, you're going to get the orgasm of the century, because I'm not playing with you. Anything public, I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it, and I'm going to share it with every jurisdiction you ever tried to fuck with. I'm just going to share it with Florida, Alabama, Virginia, and your hometown. So, girl, that church your daddy got, you better go down there and get anointed and prayed on, because I am on your ass. So she decided to say, and if, baby, that was a fuck up on your mistake because your answer, you're so damn cocky. Your answer said, and if you did something, if, y'all, this is the case number right here. Maurice done answer back. Carlos owned everybody that answer back with these high priced attorneys. Now, let me put this in your head. Do you think that these people, this woman, is going to take all this by herself? Of course not. She threw True Tea in there. She threw Black Titanic in there. And now Alabama is comparing the case in Alabama with Missouri. The case in Virginia has been reopened because that lawyer was right dead on that case with my aunt. All this going to the police, going to the hospital, all of this is not going to work because if you had going to the hospital, talking about stress, if you had any pre existing conditions, baby, it's going to come out. It's gonna come out if you ever went to the doctor for stress before or whatever. You plan all these sympathies to get, cash apps and super chats and all, baby, I'm bringing that all to the floor. I'm bringing it all out. So you have tapped on me and I'm what PBE was removed from the case. PBE is not actively on the case, but PBE have set the blueprint for everyone, including Maurice and all the attorneys looking at that docket, all of them. So I just want y'all to know I have filed. She can no longer, now she's a lawyer. She know that she can't answer back. What I filed against her yesterday, she cannot answer back. She cannot. She keeps answering it back inappropriately. She contacted me without contacting my lawyer first. This is the same shit she did in a 2017 case. You can't do that. You need to go back to law school and find out because Chat GPT is kicking your fucking ass right now. So, y'all, I just want y'all to know we are on it. And all these silly distractions that they're trying to throw our way is not going to work. So I want to tell y'all something right quick because this is in reference to YouTube. And I also want y'all to know that I will be back here at 11:30 and we got some business to talk about, things that's going on around us that y'all need to clock that T because it's serious. And then I'm going to give you this is not I'm not trying to scare you, I'm trying to prepare you. And if you want to take the advice that I prepare you with, then you do that. If you don't, this is not a scare tactic. And like I said, we need to jump back into there. So go to Pacer. Here we go right here. Pacer. Pay your $9.99. And you need to read this case to its entirety. And I guarantee you, at the end of your reading, it would be bullshit. Bullshit. You got Tim Norman from Sweetie Pies in there, Tweety Bird. I'm talking about the bird, Tweety Bird. SpongeBob mentioned in this lawsuit. This is going to be some shit when this lawyer, this judge finished reading all this shit. I mean, this judge ought to be fed up. But we're waiting for everybody to answer. She has 21 days to answer the people back that she has not answered. Get on with it because I'm ready for this to be get gone. I'm ready for this to be gone. This is like really fucking ridiculous that we have to deal with this. I'm telling you now, it is fucked up that you have interfered in my life. But that is a cost because I pay the cost to be the boss. And since you want to be the boss, I'm going to pay the cost to sue your ass. And me and my girls, we're going to have a good time because I want shit liquidated. I just don't want no judgment. Okay, so there go my thing. Hey Aquarius, hey Tanya, Deshonda. All right, y'all, I want to show y'all this right quick because y'all gotta hear this, babies. YouTube about to get a lot of people mad, y'all. Starting July 15th, their little creator program, their monetization program is changing. Post about a July 2025 update to the YouTube Partner Program monetization policies, and you're concerned it'll affect your reaction or clips or other type of channel. Well, I'm Renee Ritchie. I'm a creator who works inside YouTube, and here's the deal. This is a minor update to YouTube's long-standing YPP policies to help better identify when content is mass-produced or repetitive. This type of content has already been ineligible for monetization for years, and is content viewers often consider spam. This is for all them people that be taking content and putting the AI voice behind it and act like it was them that made this shit. So let's say I made a video and they took my video, but it's not my voice and it's not my face on it. They just made an AI voice, but they took everything I said. They can't do that no more starting on July 15th. So essentially, you got to have your voice, your edits, your sound, your everything. I kind of feel bad for the motivational ones because them jonks be doing numbers. So yeah, if you're doing motivational speeches too, the jonks with like the cartoon or the animated in the background with the AI voice, you will no longer get paid for that either. That's tough. So no more mass-produced content, no more low-effort AI slideshow video, and no more recycled voice clips. And they're saying, if you take a clip, you better pitch some of your own work into it. You can't just take the clip and just post it with some words saying, oh, this is what they're talking about in the video. They're not allowing it no more. So even clippers, voice boxes included. No face, no case. You're over there using Ebony Case picture. Because we both know damn well you don't look like that. And we know damn well that's not your voice. And we know damn well you can't put no hands in the middle and show us no grapes and stuff. We know damn well your name can't be Tweety Bird and you use a Tweety Bird. You're going to have to show your face. And trust me, when y'all tried to strike my page and take it down, I have submitted a long ledger of content creators who tried to fuck with me and my page. Yesterday, a content creator went on her page because I know she in the bushes. And you was going to talk about essence. And you had your face up there. And you know what I did? Screenshot. Your URL. When you try to strike me frivolously, I am handling things in the back channel. You will not fuck with me without my permission. And get a condom when you plan on fucking me. So I just want y'all to know, let me go on the PBE page because PBE and Tay Talks got some very interesting things. Thank you for the hair compliments. Y'all know I got a little couple of clips in here, you know. And y'all, I plan on going to Philadelphia in a couple of weeks. Anybody want to meet me there? I'm going to have security. So don't come there trying to fight me now. I'm going to have security there. And we're gonna party, okay? We're gonna have a good time. Don't forget, I'm coming back at 11:30, y'all, with some very interesting things. Also, an interview with a prisoner at Alligator Alcatraz, who's saying what they're trying to do and everything. And that we had a new flood, y'all, New Mexico. I hope y'all keeping up with the news. And also got a map to where these people are going to be flooding areas. Okay, hey, Miss Davis. Hey, Renee. Did I say hey, Daisy Lewis? Y'all, I just want this overall message before I show PBE page. I want y'all to be able to support whoever you want to support. You listen, if you don't want to come out and support a person, stay in the bushes, but don't get into it. With the bloggers, because if you don't like their content, just don't go over there. Don't come and fuck with them, because see, you done fuck with me. Now you done got me all involved, and I am dead on it. I will not sleep a day before this is all over. Okay, so let's go to PBE. Y'all be sure to go over there and check out Terrence. He got, Terrence got the slow diagnosis, has some questions to the Kang. And then we have this docket update on RJB motion for sanctions. Y'all go over there to her post. Um, mm-hmm. Um, the disgraced attorney packed 5 exhibits, 3 lies, and desperate prayers, and the judge denied it. The judge denied it. Okay. These are all the filings that have all of our names on it every day. Y'all, please go over there and check that docket. Okay. I want y'all to know that now y'all, I don't live here. So let me tell you what happened with this one. Virginia opened their case to get the payment for the 2 content creators. You see that? And the person she sent it to put harassment, return to sender, don't live at return to sender. Now, if you don't live there, how the hell you writing on the mail? At the house that the mail was delivered to, and you received the mail. Well, they says, I don't live here, okay? So look, we got 2 strikes. We had to put on the lady who's trying to interfere in our peace, with these videos that we killed Kiki DeBrar. And she has been actively attacking Terrence. She has actively been attacking PBE, not even for no reason. Okay? I want y'all to go see that we got this lady over here, another dusty rehab reject, crawling out of the gutter to mention her name, but our names. Fresh off a crack binge, fresh out of psycho ward, and now you want to be a YouTube bully. And this is what this woman is trying to do. She's sitting over there trying to bully, but I have decided I'm not answering her no more, because it's a waste of brain cells. And I'm certainly not going to give her no attention. And you can say my name until you blue in the face, because I think you get off saying my name. I really, really think that she has this cosmic orgasm when she says my name, because she can say my name and never put nothing behind it. So y'all go on over there to Pretty Brown Eyes PBE. Y'all got to put PBE blogger. Y'all read, because she's been keeping up with this lawsuit. She's been helping us. And misdiagnosis, like I said, she showed she had 25 phones. She only have 28 views, so it's like Ada and her 25 phones done logged on to listen to the bullshit that she's saying. So listen, and I have also asked YouTube to check some pages for bots. I sure did, because I want y'all to know that no individual took down True T page. She had got some complaints from what I'm understanding, and YouTube had other concerns why they took down. By responding to her, you give her more content, in my opinion. You're correct, because she has no content, and then she has this craving to italicize dead people. Like, you say Young Dolph, she would act like her and Young Dolph had a love affair. I mean, she got other people that have died, and she will fester off of them. So this is what I believe she's doing with Kiki. She has a fetish for deceased people, and we have to keep our eye on the prize. We cannot be distracted. This lawsuit, hopefully, in the next 2 months, will be dead on arrival. And this will be the worst experience I ever had with my life in my life, because I'm spending money to make sure that none of the defendants, not one, even the ones that don't like me, I don't want none of them. They will not have to pay those judgments, because by daytime, they were legally not rendered. So we're going to bring all attention to that. Anonymous, I got you, bitch. I don't even know why you bother. It's me. I win. You lose. So let's see what else you got up your sleeve, bitch. So y'all go over there. Please read that court docket for yourself. And you'll see the mistakes that she's making, even in her own wording. See, it's too many cases to go back, but she changes the players. So we got to be careful. So y'all come back at 11:30. I will be coming on to talk some serious stuff. Y'all hit the like button on y'all way out. And tell True T, since she's making music now, make me a song. I'm wearing that ass out. I'm wearing that ass out. Back that ass up, because I'm wearing that ass out since you making music, bitch. All right, y'all. I got to go, because you know Niecy don't like when I do stuff like this.